what is the most challenging aspect of developing a game engine? The most challenging part of developing a game engine, well, there's two answers to that question. There's a technical aspect and the psychological aspect to that. So the technical, the most complicated part of developing a game engine, in my opinion, is developing the collision detection system. That is insanely hard because not only because you need to take some time to understand computational geometry, there's some algorithms that you need to understand. For example, the GJK that deals with the collision detection between convex objects. Um, Even though it is not hard to understand, the thing that makes that algorithm complicated is the many functions, helper functions that you need to implement to make the particular algorithm work. The whole algorithm is simple to use. It seems very logical, but again, you are going to need helper functions, plenty of helper functions, and they are not simple to implement. So it will take some time, and also once you have that ready, you are going to realize that you are going to need to calibrate your collision detection system. Um, and one thing that you need to know is that your a physics engine, for example, the parameters may work well for one type of games, but not for others. For example, you are going to require different physics parameters if you are developing like an airplane, an FPS game, for example, versus a game where you are going to have a boat and it's going to be in on the water sailing, right? So different type of physics that is involved. So your physics engine may not work exactly perfectly for every type of game. There's going to be some calibrations that you have to do for all of those type of games. Now, the second aspect of developing a game engine is the psychological one, in the sense that um, there's really nothing to show for a long time. So you may get you may get discouraged, and you may quit along the way, because number one, there's a lot of work that you need to do. Number two, in the initial stages, you are not going to see anything cool, right? Nothing's gonna be amazing. It takes a while until you start to see something on the screen worthy of to share with somebody else, right? Like Instagram worthy, I guess that's the proper name. So it takes a while to do that. So just so you know.